How to download Windows 11 23H2 disk image. At first, open any web browser that is on your computer. In the search bar, type download Windows 11 23H2. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click on this first link to open the web page. Move down to download Windows 11 disk image for 64 devices. Click on select download. Here select Windows 11 Multi-Edition. Click on download now button. Select the product language that you would like to download for your operating system. Click on confirm. Click on download 64-bit download. Now click on start download. Once the download is complete, you'll have the ISO file saved on your computer. You can either create a bootable USB drive using this ISO file, or you can mount it directly to install Windows 11. And there you have it. That's how you can download the Windows 11 23H2 ISO file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.